On January 14th, a man was apprehended after stealing a cruiser and leading law enforcement on a chase through Ross County.
Still northbound, passing Freedom Church. He went left to center, back in his lane.
Officials say around 2:15 a.m. on Tuesday, a Dodge Charger patrol car was stolen from outside the Chillicothe patrol post by 44-year-old Tommy Cantrell Jr. Using GPS, OSHP was able to track the cruiser that was driving south on SR 772. After turning around at a gas station,
Headed back to 772. I'd say we're going northbound.
investigators say Cantrell drove back toward Chillicothe. With the help of stop sticks, the car was disabled and Cantrell was arrested and is now in the Ross County Jail.
Southbound 75. Still southbound doing 50. Coming into Brownsville. Captain Baptist passing the 8. No traffic. He's left the center. Speed 68. Still no traffic. Still southbound. Speed's 88. Speed 65. Still southbound. just pulled into the gas station. Headed back to 772. I'd say we're going northbound. We're headed northbound. He is signal 100. Back in his lane. Oh, he's just about lost it. Okay, we're northbound, coming up on a car. He passed, I'm passing, it's clear. Still northbound. Speed 65. Northbound at the 4. Speed 63. Speed 60, he is left of center. Back in his lane, left of center again. Speed still 60. Passing Black Run.
Passing where?
Black Run. If you can try and get the city, see if we can get some spikes.
Alright, I got it. Zach on the other line. Hey, you have any?
Speeds are 50. Northbound at the 5.
Where's 391 now? Still behind you?
He's on my tail.
Okay.
Passing Heartwood and Windy Ridge. Speed 65. Speeds are now 80. Northbound at 6. Speed 70. Passing Blaine, speed 69.
What we got on the SO or PD? Let me know if you got spikes where they're gonna be.
Still northbound, passing Freedom Church. He went left to center, back in his lane.
That's the Freedom Church.
Still northbound, speed 65. Left to center, back in his lane. Coming into Brownsville.
Any updates on CDPD or SO?
He's left to center, back in his lane.
PD's gonna try to set up spikes at the Valero.
Alright. Still northbound, speed 75. left to center again. If he gets in the city, I'm gonna have to cut it. We'll just have to track the GPS. He's left to center, back in his lane. Still northbound.
What's his deal with spikes? We can't let him in the city. They're there.
Northbound at the 9. Left to center. Back in his lane.
They're set up at the flare route, waiting on you.
Alright.
You just passed off past 9. Just getting through Brownsville, so he's coming up on, they're just shipping past some rough roads. A mile past 10.
Northbound, speed 70.
It's the Charger, right?
Yes.
Okay.
SP,
Just past some rough road.
okay. SP 1065.
SP 1065.
Passing the 10, northbound, speed 72. What about aviation? Just spitballing at this
I
point.
haven't got a chance. I got heat on the CBD and I got one of the 40 units on with SO.
Okay. He's left to center again. Back in his lane. We're at McCann Lane.
That's what he's saying.
Left to center again. There's still no traffic. Absolutely no traffic.
No traffic.
Passing the 11. Speeds 80.
Where's that Valero at?
Just inside the city. It's just north of Cooks Hill.
Going up first.
Get them off our radio.
We can't stop.
Radio traffic still up from car 391 for unit 391.
Okay. He's left to center. Northbound at the 12. Pull it over.
Taking out everything. City of Chillicothe. There's 2 cruisers behind me. Attention.
Let's say there's 2 cruisers behind that one.
Pull over. You guys know this.
We're still northbound at the 13. It is. Passing 2 cars that pulled over for us. He's in his lane.
They gotta be getting close though.
with you. Get out of the car. Reach in with your right hand and unbuckle the seatbelt and then bring it back out. Reach in with your right hand, unbuckle the seatbelt and bring it back out. Climb out the window. Get on the ground. Now. Don't move. Show me your hands! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! How many people are in there with you? Get out of the car! Reach in with your right hand and unbuckle the seatbelt and then bring it back out. Reach in with your right hand, unbuckle the seatbelt and bring it back out. Climb out the window. Get on the ground. Now. Don't move.
I'm not going.
Your hands behind your back.
My hands are behind my back.
You guys, look. The hospital, something's going on in the hospital, man. You guys, what are you doing? Fuck the hospital, we're not seeing. Don't fight back. Huh? Don't move. Do not move. Do not move. I won't move. Not moving.
Yes, Tommy.
There, good job.
Go.